So today I want to talk about the real cost in running a blog, because believe it or not, if you want to run a website, you're going to have to spend a bit of money. For example, you need to pay for the domain name if you want a custom domain name, and you also need to host the website somewhere. So today I'm going to talk about the cost of running WebWash, which is my blog. And if you want to go check it out, head over to webwash.net where you can learn about Drupal and also just check out my blog. So let's start off with running the website, actually running the website. So the first thing you need to do is host the website somewhere. So for that, I use a hosting provider called Pantheon, and I just have my list here, so I'm looking at the numbers. So Pantheon costs $300 a year to run. And to host courses, I use a SaaS product called Teachable, and that is at $399 a year. And then I have a few WordPress plugins. So for my theme and also lead generation tools, I use Thrive Themes, and that comes at $228 a year. I use Yoast SEO for SEO stuff in WordPress, and that comes at $69. And then I use Gravity Forms, and Gravity Forms has different plans, and I use the developer plan because I want to integrate it with Zapier. So I have to pay $199. And then finally, I use the Jetpack Premium, I think, which comes at $99 a year. And that offers backups as well as spam protection when it comes to handling comments. So that comes to a grand total of $1,294 just to run the website part. Now I have these other products which I use. So to handle emails, I use a service called Drip, and that comes to $588 a year. For webinars, I use Zoom, which comes at $659 a year. And then to schedule blog posts and also to have a publishing calendar, I use CoSchedule, and that costs $360. And then to schedule out tweets and Facebook updates, I use Buffer, and that is $120 a year. And then to host videos, I use Vimeo Pro, and that comes to $199, so $199. So in total, that comes to $1,926. Now, these services aren't required to run the website, but they are required to run a business. And when you add everything up, it comes to a grand total of $3,220. And when you convert that into Australian dollars, or dollary-doos, as they call it on The Simpsons, that comes to $4,276. Because at the end of the day, I live in Australia, and so I pay in Australian dollars. So you can see that it costs a bit to run a blog. And mind you, I'm not even mentioning the cost of having other writers write on your site, because that will also cost a bit of money. So as you can see, if you want to run a blog, you will have to spend a bit of money, but just make sure that you are spending money for the right reasons. So for example, let's take CoSchedule, okay? With that service, I can schedule out blog posts. And yes, that costs $360 a year, but before I had CoSchedule, I would spend an hour and a half publishing new blog posts. Every single time I wanted to publish a blog post, it would take me an hour and a half because I'd have to prepare copy, I'd have to prepare the tweets and the Facebook updates and all stuff like that. Whereas with CoSchedule, I can prepare it a week before it goes out, press a button, and then it just automatically gets sent out. So by spending $360 a year, I am saving time. So when you are evaluating products, think like that, okay? And also, it's also important just to take stock of, how much you are spending. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have a question or you want a topic covered, head over to ivanzujek.com/ask, fill out the form, and maybe, just maybe, I will answer one of your questions in future videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.